Hello, friends. Welcome to your English listening practice. Today's story is not just about learning English. Today's story is about changing your life. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes a simple story can change the way you think. And when you change the way you change your life. So sit comfortably, relax your mind, and listen carefully. This story could be your turning point. Chapter 1. The Ordinary Man. There was once a young man named Daniel. Daniel was an ordinary person. He had an ordinary job. He lived in a small apartment. Every day he woke up at 7 a.m., went to work, came home tired, ate dinner, and slept. His life was simple, but deep inside Daniel felt unhappy. He often asked himself, "Is this my life? Is this all I can become?" He saw other people succeeding. He saw people starting businesses, traveling the world, speaking confidently, and achieving big goals. And he thought, why not me? But every time he asked this question, another voice inside him said, you are not smart enough. You are not talented. You don't have money. You are just average. And slowly, Daniel started believing that voice. Chapter 2. The Turning Point. One evening, Daniel was sitting alone in his apartment. He was scrolling through his phone, feeling bored and frustrated. Suddenly, he saw a short video. In the video, a speaker said, "Your life changes when your habits change." Daniel paused. The speaker continued, "You don't need motivation. You need discipline. You don't need luck. You need action." These words hit Daniel deeply. For the first time, he realized something important. Maybe his life was not bad because of bad luck. Maybe it was bad because of small daily choices. That night, Daniel made a decision. He said to himself, "Tomorrow I will start small, just small changes." Chapter 3. Small Changes. The next morning, Daniel woke up 1 hour earlier. It was difficult. He felt sleepy. He wanted to go back to bed, but he remembered his decision. Instead of scrolling on his phone, he read 10 pages of a book. It was not a big change, but it was a start. The next day, he did the same. Then he added something new. He started exercising for 15 minutes every morning. After 1 week, he felt more energetic. After 2 weeks, he felt more confident. After 1 month, he noticed something amazing. He was becoming a different person. Chapter 4. The Power of Consistency. Daniel understood a powerful truth. Success is not about doing big things once. It is about doing small things every day. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Some mornings, Daniel did not feel like reading. Some evenings, he did not feel like exercising. But he did it anyway, because he understood something important. Feelings are temporary. Results are permanent. Chapter 5. Facing Fear. After 3 months, Daniel decided to do something scary. He always wanted to improve his English, but he was afraid to speak. He was afraid people would laugh at him. But this time, he remembered his rule: small steps, every day. So he started listening to English podcasts. He repeated sentences. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. At first, he felt silly, but slowly he improved. One day, he joined an online meeting and spoke in English. His voice was shaking. His heart was beating fast. But he did it, and nothing bad happened. Nobody laughed. In fact, someone said, "Your English is improving." That moment changed his confidence forever. Chapter 6. The New Identity. 6 months later, Daniel's life looked different. He woke up early. He exercised daily. He read books. He practiced English. He saved money. He learned new skills. But the biggest change was not outside. It was inside. He no longer said, "I am average." He started saying, "I am improving." And that one sentence changed everything, because your identity controls your actions. If you think you are lazy, you act lazy. If you think you are confident, you act confident. Daniel stopped calling himself lazy. He started calling himself disciplined, and slowly it became true. Chapter 7. The Big Opportunity. 1 year later, something unexpected happened. At his office, a new international project started. The company needed someone who could speak English and communicate with foreign clients. Before, Daniel would never apply, but this time he raised his hand. His manager looked surprised. "You?" he asked. Daniel smiled and said, "Yes, I am ready." He gave the interview. He spoke clearly. He answered confidently, and he got the position. His salary increased, his responsibilities increased, his confidence increased. But remember, this success did not come in one day. It came from small daily habits. Moral of the story: change does not happen suddenly, it happens slowly, quietly, daily. If you want to change your life, wake up earlier, read daily, exercise regularly, practice English every day. Stop making excuses. Start taking action. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. One small step today is better than a big plan tomorrow. Closing message. Now ask yourself, what small habit can you start tomorrow? Not next week, not next month. Tomorrow, because your future is created by what you do daily. Remember, your life will not change by chance. It will change by choice. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never stop believing in yourself.